Well, I think we're gonna have to. I think we can go around.
We ain't going down that.
Well, no, I saw.
Volcano Peak.
What's the origin of the name?
I don't know. Maybe the rock we're standing on.
Is it a volcanic?
It's a volcanish rock.
Volcanic.
Volcanish. It was imported from the planet Vulcan.
What's a Vulcan?
That's Star Trek. You don't know Star Trek, Logan?
Of course I don't know Star Trek, Sam. I've never seen Star Trek in my life.
You know, the live long and prosper guy.
Never met him.
Spock.
Never heard of him.
He's a Vulcan.
So this is his peak.
This is his peak. Spock's Peak. We renamed it.
Spock's Peak. The weird guy's peak. Live long and prosper unless you climb my peak, where you will die soon.
Take me home to the mountain.
Ow. I got a cactus in
The land my mother used to sing. But beware the mouth of the dragon.
Say one more up, down.
In his lungs a coal he keeps. In his lungs a coal he keeps. Fairly well shouted the preacher, fairly well he sang. This man died inside the mouth of the dragon, bound for heaven's gates, bound for heaven's gates. All the homes are dark as molasses, but the house of the Lord, the man who fell in that mine is wrapped upon his porch. They wrapped him on his porch. Take me home to the mountain, the land my mother used to sing. But beware the mouth of the dragon. In his lungs a coal he keeps. In his lungs a coal he keeps. Hallelujah, I slayed the dragon, the son of the dead man sang. I lit a match inside of the shaft and burned his lungs away. Burned his lungs away. I remember the mountain,
This is one of those that
the tales my mother used to sing of the father killed by the dragon and the son who avenged his name.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Oh.